Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the 2016 Audi A6 Quattro. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter supercharged V6 pushing out 333 horsepower and 325 pounds torque. This one does come with 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Got our supercharged badging on the side. Beige leather interior. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats. A6 3-liter quattro badging. Open up the tailgate, got a power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats. Come alongside, keyless entry. Memory seats, lane assist, Bose sound system, power windows, power seats. Coming in on the inside, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. This one also does have a heads-up display, rear view backup camera with sensors, CD player, SD card slots, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display. This A6 has 38,633 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi A6, check out feldmanimports.com.